This morning we'll be briefing you on the tropical depression 09F and some associated weather that we may be experiencing in the coming days. On the map, TD09F is located around 11 south and 167 west, and it's about 1,030 kilometers west-northwest of Rotuma. We also have another low just forming to the far west of Vanuatu, and it's expected to drift down southeastwards. When we look at the tropical depression 09F, we are anticipating it to move southwards and as well as trek to the west of Fiji. Over the last 24 hours, the tropical depression 09F has been moving westwards. As we see that it started off on the 6th around 6 p.m. in the evening, very close to Tuvalu. It has tracked westwards, and at the moment it is just to the east of northern Vanuatu. Over the next 12 to 24 hours, it is expected to trek further southwards and move to the west of Fiji in next 48 to 72 hours. Having said that, there is no direct threat to Fiji, and the associated weather that is associated with this tropical depression is expected to affect Fiji from the north, and we also expect some strong winds to spread over the Vanua Levu and Viti Levu. For Rotuma, Rotuma is already having the strong wind warning for the Rotuma waters, and also fresh, moderate to fresh winds over the lands. It is advisable for the general public to take note and heed of the weather bulletins that has been issued, especially in terms of the alerts and warnings that may come across in times of severe weather.